Hello guys, would like to show you how to install printer EPSONL355. Alright, so you need to go to installation the program, and this is the program that we will using, and now we open it and we install it. Okay, now we install the EPSONL355, and I will show you how to connecting. And you need to click yes and click agree and click next and click next, and also start with the connection. Yeah, and you don't need to install the last version, you just install or last version is okay. This is from website, it takes time, so you just click on the program. Alright, so this is the way that we installation our printer. Okay, now wait a moment, we will configure everything. Okay, now the icon is coming up, and click, make sure your ink is open, right, turn on and connect it with the USB cable. I'm not using the Wi-Fi. Alright, click next and so on. You click in United States English and click next, and that's it. Connect your printer product. Okay, after that you need restart. Alright, now I'm not restarting. Okay, just this the printer. Okay, we need to make sure our restarting. Okay, after installation you need to restart, and then it will work properly. Okay, bye. Alright, so after installation and config, I will tell you how to arrange the printer and how to printing. Okay, that's it. See you next video.